There, we have got a setup for a short trade on the Australian dollar US dollar. This is the 1 hour time frame. Right now, all the indicators are telling me that we have a potential short. So the wavy histogram on the chart is red. Underneath, the bars are red. And the indicator that's the solid line has turned green, and now it's turning back to red. So when this candle closes, I will be looking for a short trade. So I'm going to put the video on pause, and when that happens, I'll be back. So I've entered the trade. We did get the close in the proper place. The indicator had turned red, and we are in this trade. The stop loss is placed. The one-to-one take profit is placed. And now all there is left to do is wait and see what happens. If I get a chance to manage the trade, I will. Otherwise, we are going to see the price smash through the target. And when that is the case, I will return. That was a very nice trade. The price didn't have any trouble. It went straight to the take profit. And on this trade, we ended up with a nice $322 win. This was a very simple, very straightforward, very clear and easy to understand trade using the Magnacon trading system.